Ever wished your medicine cabinet grew in a pot? Yep, I'm talking about plants that heal, and you can grow them right at home. Simple, beautiful, and packed with natural remedies. Let's explore 9 of the best medicinal plants that are easy to grow and incredibly useful. Let's start with basil. It's not just for pasta. Basil has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and it's great for digestion too. Grow it in a sunny spot, water it regularly, and keep pinching the leaves to make it bushier. You'll always have a fresh healing herb right on hand. Next is peppermint. It's a natural soother for upset stomachs and headaches, and its menthol scent clears the sinuses like magic. It grows fast, almost too fast, so keep it in a pot unless you want a mint invasion. Bright light, moist soil, and this plant will do the rest. Say hello to lemon balm. It smells like lemons and helps calm anxiety and improve sleep. Some people even use it to ease cold sores. It prefers partial sun and rich, well-drained soil. A few fresh leaves in tea can turn your stressful day into a peaceful one. Lavender is next. It's famous for relaxing the mind, improving sleep, and even soothing minor skin irritations. Plus, it smells amazing. Lavender thrives in full sun and slightly sandy soil. Once it blooms, you can dry the flowers or use the oil to calm your nerves and freshen your home. Don't skip chamomile. This one's perfect for bedtime teas and upset stomachs. It's gentle, calming, and just plain pretty with its daisy-like flowers. Chamomile loves full sun and well-drained soil. Harvest the flowers, dry them, and you've got your own natural sleep remedy. Aloe vera is a must-have. Break off a leaf and you've got a soothing gel for burns, cuts, and dry skin. It's super easy to grow. Just give it bright light and don't overwater. Perfect for a sunny windowsill and always ready when you need quick relief. Now, let's talk rosemary. It boosts memory, helps with focus, and smells like fresh beginnings. It needs full sun and well-drained soil, and it's pretty drought-tolerant once established. Snip a few sprigs for cooking or just take a whiff to clear your mind. Here's one more you'll love, echinacea, or purple coneflower. It's known to strengthen the immune system and may help reduce the length of colds. It grows best in full sun and handles dry conditions well. Its pink flowers aren't just beautiful, they're healing. Last but not least, calendula, also called pot marigold. Its bright orange petals are anti-inflammatory and great for skin. You can make healing salves, teas, or just enjoy it as a bee-friendly garden flower. It loves sun and regular watering, and once it starts blooming, it won't stop. There you have it. 9 powerful medicinal plants that are easy to grow,